Okay, this is a rotap separator. It's a very classical way of doing particle size on dry feed samples. It's a system that was originally used to develop the equations that we use for physical effective fiber evaluation of feeds and forages. This is a piece of equipment that actually has a bar that you'll see that actually uses for tapping the sample. We have a series of sieves, one-dimensional sieves going from the largest on top to the smallest on the bottom. We put this in, we put our forage sample in here. Again, it's a dry sample I put on here. Put the top together, then we turn it on and you'll see why it's called a rotap separator. Okay, what this is doing is it's separating in a circular manner here, but now it's also tapping it on top, which is where it gets a rotap from, which actually then gives you a three-dimensional separation because it's moving those dry feed particles up and down through the sieve. Now what I'm going to demonstrate for you here is using some coffee straws that I've cut up in various different sizes, and I'm going to put them in the rotap separator. They're all the same diameter but different lengths. Okay, so I'm going to take these off to show you what's happened here. And I had various different sizes, some of them being quite long, but because of that three-dimensional manner, something even that long passes through there. It's 2 or 3 times the size of that sieve opening. And what you see is a lot of these really long pieces will end up on a particular screen. It does some sorting, but it actually allows various different particles to get all the way down through to where the diameter of this straw is not allowing it to pass through any further. So it's effectively sorting on a three-dimensional manner. It's putting all different sizes together. And I can show it. Let me put these, because if I do it long enough, they'll all pretty much come up on the same thing. It puts all these different particle sizes together because it has sorted on the smallest dimension, which is the diameter of that coffee straw. So it's a completely different type of system, again using dry samples and a three-dimensional type of separation.